Okay, I've almost finished drinking my tea now. I've created the red gem and a green gem prefab. Slapped them in there so it's weighted towards more having green gems than it is red. If I just add 2 green gems there and 1 red, we can kind of make it be weighted. Now press G, it will generate a random one, which happened to be a red one. So now we'll move over, press G again. Oh, we got a green one. Let's move over, press G again, another green one. And G again, we've got another green one. And another green one. So we've got like 4 green ones and 1 red. So it's completely weighted towards greens. We'll keep moving this about. Press G. Oh, we got another red. Oops. Now another green. Let's move over. Another green. And a red. So we're getting random, as in there's only a few to choose from, so you know we're gonna get whatever. But you see how we've got actual randomization here. So if I go into the console, obviously it's got a size of what's it, so that's fine. So let's now try and do this. I think I might just make some more. So if I grab the green gem, rename this as I don't know, blue gem, not blue gem, blue gem. Okay, so this is now called blue gem, so I need to make a material for this. I like the player materials blue, so for now just duplicate this and rename it as blue gem material and drop it on our blue gem. Whoop, our blue gem moved. What happened there? Okay, just drop it on the blue gem. There we go. That was a bit weird. Okay, I've kind of dragged the blue gem about, I think. Right, so it's called a blue gem. It has that. In fact, I need to give these names. Name of. In fact, it's the instantiation, but I'll fiddle about with that. This is not a consumable; it's collectible. It could be currency actually, because it's a gem, isn't it? But let's do this anyway and get it into a prefab. I might set it as, yeah, it's going to be collectible. Let's go into prefabs and grab our blue gem and plonk that in the prefabs. We now have a blue gem. So let's get rid of that. Get rid of all these other gems for now. They're just sort of taking up memory and space for no particular reason. And I'll go back to the actual gacha machine. We've got a red gem, a green gem, and let's add a blue gem. So now if I press G, we have a chance of getting a red, blue, or a green gem. We're getting greens. Oh, we got a red one. Oh, we got a blue one. Another blue one. And a green one. Okay. We're actually getting a fairly nice spread. Still the reds are quite rare. Oh, there's one. Now I've said that, I'll probably get a load of reds. No, got a green. I'm just literally moving the gacha machine so it just plonks them in spaces where we can get to and wherever. Yep, now I've said that, reds was coming quite a bit then. There we go. So we've got like a few reds, a few blues and so on. And we've got some items appearing out of our gacha machine. So we're starting to get some sort of a semblance of stuff. Now let's click on this. This doesn't actually have a name, but it's collectible, and this one is consumable. Apparently the green gems can eat them. Right. I think I need to change the green gem to collectible then. This one's still consumable because it's let's do collectible, and no, I'll just leave that for now anyway because it's just an instance. So we've we've got those going. Let's get rid of some of these again. Now I'm going to move this over here. Right, so this one I'm going to change to, oh, it's capture item, that's irrelevant almost because that's just like the initial base. So that's set to collectible. Red gem, set that to collectible. And blue gem, collectible. Again, like I said, these could be currency, so it's down to you as to what you want to fiddle about with and do stuff. But now if I press G and we take a look at the red gem, it's collectible. So before that as well, we need to do, say, the name being red gem. This will all go again, by the way, once I stop. I'm just fiddling about with stuff to green gem. And blue gem. Again, we can do all of this through code, and we can instantiate stuff and do stuff like that, but I'm just kind of having a little play. So if I press G, we have a green gem, hopefully, called green gem, and it's of object type green gem. So we're kind of able to do that. And again, now if I press G again, we have a red one, and hopefully the red one is called red gem, yep. So we'll move that out of the way over here, rather than moving the thingy. Another green gem with the name green gem. So kind of able to do those different sorts of things. And now we should have a blue gem that's called blue gem. So its object name is blue gem, and also its name string is, and they're all collectible at the moment. Now we could make it so that all collectible items go straight into your inventory or something, if you're or a collectible part of your inventory and stuff, and put them down as to how many you've got of them and so on and so forth. Now we can add some more things to these, like so in capture item I'm going to add a few more bits, like the fact that we could have, say, public we'll make our currency be whole numbers for now, so public int cost. One sec, just gonna cough. Right, so we've got a public int cost. It could be price, could be cost, I don't know, whatever. That's it may have public int power, something like that, I don't know. So we'll just leave it at that for now. I'll just save that. But if you'll notice now, in the actual inspector, if I go to green gem for instance, we have two new things. We've got a cost. Obviously if it's collectible, cost is almost irrelevant, I don't know, it's one of those. Power might, collecting these might give you more power, I don't know, whatever. But let's say we turn, well, we'll leave the cost and power at 0 for these for now. And I'm going to grab, say, the red gem, and zoom in a bit, focus on the actual item itself. I'm going to squidge it in this way. Rename it to gold coin. And make a new texture, not texture, sorry, make a new material. Create material. Oops. Gold coin material. And then literally just make this yellow to represent gold. Not very yellow, this yellow, is it? I don't know, is that going to come off as yellowish? Green? Oh, almost. Oh, it's rather annoying. That'll do. So we've got that yellow. I might up its metallic a bit. And its smoothness goes to mid-level, so I think, I don't know. That'll do. I'm just going to drop that on there and hopefully it'll be gold-ish, yellowy gold, I don't know. Let's up its metallic a bit. So that's our gold coin. Doesn't really look like a coin, but okay. So we have, I might squidge that in a little bit more, just to kind of watch it, and maybe rotate it a bit to say that it's, missed it. So rotate that round to say it's a coin. Yeah. I mean, you could have these animated so they actually all constantly rotate anyway, but that's for a different thing. We've gone to the 10-minute mark anyway. I'm just going to literally add this to our, well, first I'm going to make this into a prefab. So if I go find my gold coin, turn that into a prefab. Now this one's actually going to be currency, cost of 10, I don't know, power of 0 still, because it doesn't really do much in the way of that. Yeah. So now if I go back to our gacha thing, add another one to this, so it'll be 4 items. Instead of blue gem, we're going to grab the gold coin and pop that on there. And we'll get rid of these out of the actual, what's it? Go back to our gacha thing. Let's go over here. A bit more zoomed out so we can see. And press G. And now let's move that out of the way. And press G. We've got a green and a red gem. And press G. Well, we got a coin. We have a gold coin, which is worth 10 with a power of 0. And G. Another coin. Hey, I think we're getting there. Hey, I'd say coins are becoming quite a thing, but we want these to be a bit rarer, I think, if they're actually worth something. Let's just do a G again. Okay, so what I'm going to do is clear these again quickly. What we're on? No, we're on 12 minutes, so I think I'll leave that as it is. Let's get rid of those. So this can be extended upon and keep extended upon and just changed all around, and it's mad. So here's how easy it is to kind of make it. Well, let's say that took half hour to kind of get to this point. Maybe a bit longer, I don't know. But we'll finish the video here and I'll see you in the next one.